After you create a conditional formatting rule, you might need to change it to reflect new operating conditions or goals at your company. For example, you might revise your sales targets to reflect an economic downturn, or you could decide to pay a bonus to the top 15% of your sales representatives instead of your top 10 because you had a great year. To edit a conditional format, you click any cell that contains the format, as I've done here, and then on the Home tab of the ribbon, click the Conditional Formatting button, and then click Manage Rules. When you do, the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box appears, and then you can click any rule that you want to edit. In this case, there's only one, so I will click it, so it's highlighted in blue, and then to open the editing box, I'll click the Edit Rule button. You can use the controls in the Edit Formatting Rule dialog box to change every aspect of your conditional format, including the type of rule, the cells to which it's applied, and the rule's conditions. Now in this case, I have an icon set conditional format, and just as an example, I'll change it to a color scale using the same conditions. So the conditions that I have are green for the high values, in this case greater than or equal to 115, yellow for anything that is less than 115 but greater than or equal to 50, and red for everything else. So to change the type of rule, I will click the Format Style down arrow, and then click 2-color scale. And the reason that I click 2-color instead of 3-color is because in a 2-color scale, the top and bottom colors will combine to form a third color. So, for example, if we had red and yellow as my two colors, then we would have orange in the middle. So I'll pick a couple of colors here. So for the lower values, I'll make it yellow. And then the color for the higher values, I will make blue. And when I click OK, Excel displays a preview of the conditional format in the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. And when I click OK, Excel applies the rule to my worksheet. You're not stuck with a conditional format after you create it. You can change any aspect of the rule you like, so feel free to experiment with the rule that provides you with the information you and your audience require.